Yeah. I want money in the malita.
Okay, yes.
Yes? Yes?
Don't give money. Don't party there because so many boyfriend here in the Philippines.
Hello, my friend. How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
Huh? You're fine? What are you doing there?
No, are you okay there?
Oh, um, I'm okay here. How about me? How about you?
Sus, don't party there because that is so very, big body.
Who's that?
Doy, may puso na dadaan. Diskarte ko na di. Okay. Never mind. Because my brother is very naughty.
Brother, naughty. No, naughty. Here is naughty is you.
Okay, never mind. I'm not laughing, okay?
Don't party there because so many child. 12 pieces child.
What?
Doy, hey, puso na dadaan.
That's true. That's true, my friend foreigner.
It's not true. That's not true.
What are you talking about?
Doy, he's bad. He's not good. My brother, he's bad. He's not good. Yeah.
I'm very good and I'm very, cute.
Okay. Don't worry because my brother is my brother.
No,
Okay.
don't, party because it's so tikalon.
Kalinda, Doy, dito ka lang galing sa ano, Doy. Hello, my friend. May I request to you?
Yeah, what's that?
I want money, dollar money.
Don't party there because your money is ano lang yan. Your money is get in nobody.
What are they saying, my friend?
Doy, gapa diskarte ko, di ba?
Hello, my
Ano
friend?
na yung ubra, ya? Yeah. I want money in the malita.
Okay, yes.
Yes?
Don't give money. Don't party there because so many boyfriend here in the Philippines. Don't party.
Hindi ka man niya maintindihan, bala ka da.
Kabalo man ko mag-English.
Okay. You send me my money?
Yeah,
Dollar?
yeah.
Okay, my friend. I love you.
I love you. No, foreigner, no love you because that girl is very more love there in the Philippines.
Okay, my friend. Tomorrow, you send my money? Okay. How much? $1,000,000? Oh my
$1,000,000.
goodness.
Give me, foreigner, give me dollar. No Pukday because Pukday is so many guy there in the Philippines. Don't party.
You know, my friend, my brother is very noisy. Buang.
What do you call buang?
Oh, never
That girl
mind.
Pukday is
Okay.
buang, not me.
Okay, my friend. My dream is a big house and lot. Okay.
Your foreigner is not love Pukday because Pukday is want your money. No love in that No love. Money, want your money. Don't party. Wala ka na.
Doy sa imo huli na lang to. Sabad ka sa imo di. Okay, my dear friend. Thank you. I love you. Bye.